How to connect Bose Soundbar to Subwoofer. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect your Bose Soundbar to a subwoofer, whether wirelessly or with a cable. We'll walk you through both methods step by step so you can enjoy deep, immersive bass in your home theater setup. Let's get started. Wireless connection. Step 1. Power on devices. First, ensure both your Bose soundbar and subwoofer are plugged into the power outlets and turn it on. Step 2. Access pairing mode. Using the Bose Music app on your smartphone, navigate to Settings, Accessory Speakers, Add New. The app will search for nearby compatible speakers. Step 3. Pair devices. When the app detects your bass module, select it to initiate pairing. Wait for confirmation. Type indicated by a solid white light on the subwoofer. Alternative method, using remote. If you're using the Bose remote, press and hold the sound touch button until the soundbar's light blinks white. The subwoofer's light will blink and then turn solid white once paired. Wire the connection. Step 1. Locate ports. Identify the bass port on the back of your soundbar and the bass module in port on your subwoofer. Step 2. Connect the cable. Use a mono auto cable to connect the soundbar to the subwoofer. Step 3. Power on devices. Ensure both devices are powered on. The wired connection should establish automatically. And here are some tips if you're having any issue while connecting. Placement. Place the subwoofer near the soundbar, ideally within 30 feet to ensure a strong connection. Firmware updates. Use the Bose Music app to check and install any firmware updates. Troubleshooting. If pairing fails, try unplugging both devices for 30 seconds. Then, retry the pairing process. And that's how to connect your Bose soundbar to a subwoofer, both wirelessly and with a cable. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.